Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Glow Up with Raj. So today I'm going to talk about how to measure your nail size for press-on nails. So before we start, let's talk about press-on nails. So some of you maybe don't know what's a press-ons. So if you want to save money and time for going in salon, then just try luxury handmade press-on nails by Glow Up with Raj. We are so busy with our work, kids, and many other things, and still you want your nails look good and you want to do your nail extension, but you can't wear them at least for 2 to 3 weeks. And once you do extension, you want to remove again, and then again you have to go to salon and you have to spend time and money. So Glow Up with Raj is giving you an option to, buy, choose your own designs or ready-made designs, and you can remove whenever you want to remove, and it's a very good option. So to buy a press-on nails, it's very important to know your nail size, and for that many of you are very confused. So today I will show you how to do your nail sizes. So let's get started. So just type my website glowupwithraj.com and you will come to this home screen. Here you can choose. I have so many designs. I have luxury, basic, chrome, many designs do I have. So you can check this later on, but first we will go to a size and shape here. So just go through all these details and just scroll down and you will see this picture. This is a chart. Basically this is a chart for the press on nails. You will come to know like what is your size. For an example, once we going to do our nail sizes, you will get your sizes in mm. So the 15 mm it's belong to a number 2, and then 18 mm it's belong to number 0. So this is very important to know that which number is belong to which number, if this makes sense anyway. So let's just download this picture. Just click right and save to download. Now I will show you physically how to do a measurement for your nails. So let's jump to that. So here I will take a note and pen, because we need to note down our nail sizes as per my left and right hand both side. We have to note it down. So now I will show you how to take a measurement. Take a piece of tape and place it on your widest part of your natural nail. Now mark right side and left side of your natural nail. Now take a ruler and measure your size. Count each and every line, so you will get your sizes in mm. So don't count from 1. Remember, from 1 to 2 it's always 10 mm. So whatever lines left, count those lines only. So I got my size for the thumb 15 mm. Do the same thing for rest of your fingers. Now open my chart which we downloaded earlier, and now I got my sizes. For my thumb is 15 mm. So I will check that chart 15 mm belongs to which number. So as you can see, it's belong to number 2, means my thumb size is 2. For index it's 11 mm, so it's belong to number 6. Note it down for each and every fingers. Now my sizes are 2, 6, 5, 7 and 9. Now if I see chart, extra small size is 3, 6, 5, 7, 9. So rest all fingers matching with extra small size, but my thumb is not matching with that size, because in extra small thumb size is to be 3 and mine is 2. So it means I have a custom size. Off camera I did the measurement for my right hand, and now I'm going to show you how to place the order for custom nails. Okay, so let me just open my website first. glowupwithraj.com, and here you will see, you will come to home page of my website. And just wanted to tell you guys that I'm giving a free delivery over order 100 dirhams. Then you will see here the press on nails. You will see I am selling all this kind of category nails. So you can check one by one with whatever you like. Okay, so I like this pot of gold press on nail. So I wanted to buy this. So I'll click here and I can select my sizes from here. Now if your size is extra small, you can select extra small, small, medium and large. But my nail size is custom, so I'll select custom over here. And I will select the shape over here. You can choose long stiletto, almond, anything. So I'll select long almond. And then it's mentioned here that mention sizes for the custom sets in the following order. So it's always, remember guys, the first one it's always thumb, then mention index, then middle, ring finger and pinky finger. Same way I'll write it down my sizes: 2, 6, 5, 7, 9. And also I will write it down for my left hand: 2, 6, 5, 7, 9. And then I can do add to cart. Now if you are still confused, I mean you have taken your nail sizes, your measurement, but still you are confused, you don't know that it will fit your finger or not, then I have an option. You can select full set of 20 nails. So once you will click this, the price will get changed, because obviously the full set price is different than the normal one, because here you are getting the option for the 20 nails. Now you will get a 10 nails for left hand side and 10 nails for your right hand. So if you are still confused and you don't know what's your size, or still you have a doubt, maybe you have taken the measurement but it's right or wrong, you are not sure about it, so you can select full set. Okay guys, so I have another option as well. If you don't want to buy this full set of 20 nails, then just go to the home page and scroll down and you will see purchase a sizing sample pack. So I actually started selling a sizing kit. If you don't want to go through hustle and sizing your nails and just get really confused and frustrated, then it's much easier to buy a purchase sizing kit. So it's very simple. Just purchase sizing kit and you can check your nails and you can note it down. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But before we start, I'm going to show you how to apply press on nails. Then I'm going to show you how to remove press on nails. And once you buy my sizing kit, and then what exactly you can do with my sizing kit, and with the sizing kit how you can measure your nails, I'm going to show you everything. So just keep watching. Once you receive order, you will get nail and prep kit together, so you don't need to go and buy a glue, filer, etc. You will get it everything with Glow Up with Raj kit. In my kit you will get it alcohol pads, cuticle pusher, buffer, nail tabs and nail filer and glue. Now gently push your cuticle with wood stick and now give a shape to your natural nails. My nails are too short, so just ignore it. Now file your nail surface. We need little bit rough so our press-on can stick nicely and it will stay for a long. Buff your nails and don't forget to clean all the dust with alcohol pad. Now as you can see on a nail tape, we have a different sizes, so take it as per your nail size. Measure your nail before you apply. If you find corners are not fitting, just file it little bit, because everyone has a different thumb shape at the end. Now place the tape on your finger and remove that plastic on the top. Place your nail, make sure it's straight. Now push little bit back and hold it for a few seconds to adjust with our natural nail. If you want to apply with the glue, apply little bit on the back side of the nail and also on your natural nail. Soak your hand in warm water for 10 minutes. Tear it off with the wood stick, but make sure that you do it very gently. Remove that sticky layer on your natural nail with the wood stick, and at last you can apply some cuticle oil. Okay, so this is my sizing kit, and you can choose whatever the shape you like it. I have an option on my website, and you will get this small card with that. I have selected the long stiletto. Now one by one you check from the zero. This is very big for my nail. Again, number 1 is also very big for my nail. I think number 2 is fitting perfectly fine. So I'll note it down. In this box you can write it down your nail shape, and then you can write it down number 2 of your thumb size. And this index finger, the number 6 is really fitting on my finger. So I'll note it down the number 6 and do it all rest of your finger. Keep this card safely for future order. I hope you guys like this video. I have tried my best to clear all your doubts before you buy Press On Nails by Glow Up with Raj. If you still have any doubt, please go to my website homepage, scroll down, and you will find a contact us page. And you will see my email and my WhatsApp or calling number. You can contact me there, or you can message me here. Also DM me on my Insta page @GlowUpWithRaj. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you soon.